apple trees produce an average of, so apple trees are average of 840 per tree. So that's the mean. So I'm going to use this symbol of mu. And then the standard deviation, I'm going to use this little sigma, because that's what it shows in our little calculator that we like to use. And then these are the mango trees, and the average is the mean. So I'm going to use mu for mean, is 350. And then the standard deviation is 190. And then an apple tree fed Amazing Apples fertilizer yielded 940 pounds of fruit, while a mango tree got 400 pounds of fruit. Which one is more amazing? So this is just like the swimmer one, but the swimmer one was a little confusing because the swimming one, you wanted to have a lower time. But this one, we want to have a higher. We want a higher number is better than a lower number. So you just go, and so this is what you're asking me, like which one's on top, which is which? Yeah. If it says average, this little thing is a Greek symbol. It's called mu, and we use that for the mean, which is another way of saying average. Okay. So if it says average, that's that one. And then this little thing is a sigma. I think it might be a lowercase Greek letter, but it's what we use for standard deviation. So I guess it's kind of confusing to know which is which. It doesn't really say. And then this little X thing is just your number you're interested in finding out about. And then I think I want to go find out the ones that are below it. So it's in the 79.7 percentile, 79.8. I'm just going to write down 79.8 percentile, and then I'll go for the mangoes. That was the apple numbers, and then just grab the mango numbers. So that was 350, and that was 190, and X was 400. So you want to see how this compares to their, what they usually get. Oh, why did I do that? What they usually get for a yield. So this is in the 60th percentile, so 60.3-ish.
Would it be 60.4?
Oh. Yeah, because the rounding. But my answer to my question is already pretty clear, that the apple, I don't know, they said, what's the question? Which one's more amazing? Which new fertilizer appears to be more amazing? It seems like this one, when they used it, they got, their sample was in a higher percentile than when they used this fertilizer. So I'm going to say that, do they have a special name? The special apple, an apple tree fed Amazing Apples fertilizer. So I guess I would say Amazing Apples fertilizer 1. It's more amazing than the other. I'm going to check that and make sure that I'm not giving you false information. Yeah. So the Amazing Apple fertilizer. Yeah, so you can just do it. I see in your answer key, they show that you can use the normal CDF button on your TI-83s. So if you have a TI-83, but we all also know we've worked with this little app, this applet. Okay. What else?